MixedSid here, back again for another cocktail video, and welcome to 2021, and we will start the new year January with the Bijou Cocktail. It's an interesting cocktail created by Harry Johnson and is a free combination. So you got 1 part of martini or sweet vermouth, 1 part of green chartreuse, and 1 part of gin, which is 1 part equals 30ml or 1 ounce. So get your mixing glass to create this, put some ice, get your jigger. Let's pour in the first ingredient, which is 30ml or 1 ounce of sweet vermouth. Our next ingredient is 30ml or 1 ounce of green chartreuse. And the last ingredient to go in, guys, is 30ml or 1 ounce of gin. And now give it a good stir to chill out. What you want to do now, guys, is get a small cocktail glass and strain into it from your mixing glass. Right, the last thing you want to do now, guys, is garnish it with a cherry. As you can see, we're using a maraschino. I'll ruin it too much maraschino. And there we go, guys, one Bijou. And there we have it, guys, our first cocktail of 2021, the Bijou. How does it taste in these uncertain times again, as we are in lockdown? Lockdown number 3 in the UK. When will it ever end? Oh, that is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, that is. Because I certainly compliments, certainly tastes. The strongest tasting notes I'm getting is from the green chartreuse, just beautiful though. I say, compliment with the gin, just has that lovely, lovely taste. Because it's not as bitter as an aperitif like that, but it's a nice tasting cocktail, not too bitter. But if you love chartreuse cocktails, this is for you, because can't go too wrong with a chartreuse cocktail. And there we have it, guys, the Bijou Cocktail. Because I've enjoyed it, and hopefully I will see you for the next cocktail video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid if you're liking the content so far, as we've had a great start to 2021. And our goal is to reach 1k by the end of the year, so hopefully we'll kick on this year with MixedSid. And any cocktails you want to see on this channel, do let me know in the comments below, as I want to hear from you. And I will be sure to make them. So I'm looking for recommendations, and hopefully we'll kick off 2021 with a bang, starting off with the Bijou. And I will see you guys for the next cocktail video. Cheers!